New Brunswick's Critical Worker Pilot Program, your direct pathway to a new life in Canada in 2026. The NB Critical Worker Pilot connects skilled international workers with New Brunswick employers facing workforce shortages. A valid job offer from a participating New Brunswick employer is your first step into the program. In-demand occupations include manufacturing, food processing, healthcare, transport, and more vital sectors in New Brunswick. Employers must be pre-approved by the province and actively recruit from overseas talent pools. Guaranteed settlement support includes assistance finding affordable housing to help you settle faster in your new community. Language training is included to help you and your family improve English proficiency for life and work in Canada. Employers provide mentoring and on-the-job training to help you integrate quickly into your new workplace. Transportation support includes airport pickup and initial assistance to help you navigate your new surroundings with ease. The job offer leads to a provincial nomination, making your path to permanent residency clear and achievable. Newcomers attend a detailed orientation covering healthcare, schools, legal rights, and local community resources. You can apply from overseas. Virtual recruitment helps you connect with employers before you even land. With successful nomination, you and your family can move toward permanent residency and a secure future in Canada. Ongoing support ensures you have access to community programs, employment services, and guidance every step of the way. Start your journey to Atlantic Canada today. A new life and career are waiting for you in New Brunswick.